Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a heat gun, a suction cup, a plastic spudger, a T5 Torx screwdriver, and a small Phillips screwdriver. Ensure you have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid damaging your device during the process. Start by powering off your Surface 1866 completely. Once it's off, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to detach the screen. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components. Next, use the suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the body. Insert the plastic spudger into the gap and gently pry the screen away from the device. Work your way around the perimeter, ensuring you don't apply too much force to avoid cracking the glass. Once the screen is free, you'll see several screws securing the display connector. Use your T5 Torx screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container for safekeeping. After removing the screws, gently lift the connector using the spudger. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws you might have missed. When the connector is free, you can now set the old screen aside. Before installing the new screen, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris, ensuring a clean surface for the new screen. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help identify any underlying issues. Now, take your new screen and align it with the connector. Once aligned, press down gently to secure it in place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they're tight but not over-tightened to avoid damaging the new screen. After securing the new screen, it's time to test the installation. Power on your Surface 1866 and check for any issues with the display. If everything looks good, proceed to seal the edges with adhesive. You can use double-sided tape or a similar adhesive product designed for screen replacements. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. You can have your device repaired without any hassle, no calls, no travel required. Finally, let the adhesive cure for the recommended time before using your device extensively. If you need any assistance or prefer getting a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're here to help you ensure your Surface 1866 is in top condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.